Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I have a new little kit I'm putting out for Christmas, and it's going to be Christmas altered paper clips. So let me show it to you. Here's a sneak preview of it. I've got 4 of these. Turn it around. 4 of these and 2 little Merry Christmas that you can cut out and glue onto the front of them if you want to. And then these 4 and these 3 and this is 1, even though they're separated. That would make 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 on this page. And this page with these little cute kids on it. So there are, let's see, 4, 4, 4, 12, 12 and 6, 18 paper clips you can make from this kit. So I am going to put that out on Etsy, and hopefully that'll be something cute that you can add to your Christmas projects. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.